Hey everybody, happy Wednesday. It's Wellness Wednesday time on Oil Tribe, and I'm here tonight, and I just got home from work, and I'm going to do a little unboxing because my holiday stuff arrived today, and I'm very excited. So I'm going to go through this stuff with you guys. This is all, some of the stuff is very new to me, so we'll be opening it together. So let me know if you're here, send me a little message, ask any questions. There are a few items that are now already temporarily out of stock, but there still is a lot of holiday items left and some things that will be coming out December 1st. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to open up my box here. And the first thing I'll pull out is the Holiday Peace Hand Wash, which I'm super excited about. I actually bought two. One to keep here, one to keep at my office, or possibly to give away as a gift, but I kind of think I'll keep both of them. So the Holiday Peace also comes in an oil here, and it's one of the holiday oils, and it has Siberian fir, Douglas fir, Himalayan fir, grapefruit, frankincense, and vetiver in it. So it has it has such a really good deep green kind of woody scent to it, but the grapefruit in there really helps kind of lift it up and make it a little bit lighter. I love this oil. I love to diffuse it, and so I'm super excited to have it in a hand wash. I'm actually going to smell it right now. Let's see. Oh, yeah, that actually has a little, it smells amazing, but it has a little bit of a different scent. And it's got all of that, the firs, the frankincense, the vetiver. I'm wondering if it doesn't have the grapefruit in it. Oh, no, it does. Sorry, it has balsam also in it. Maybe that's what I'm smelling, a little bit of balsam in there. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. And it comes with these nifty little pumps. So I don't know if you can see that, but it says dōTERRA, and it's a little soap dispenser, hand soap dispenser, and then it also comes with the actual pump. There we go. So this is a great gift. This is a great gift to give to somebody because you can give them the hand soap and the little pump dispenser. Let me take this actually out up here. So like that. Look at that. Awesome. Oh man, I'm gonna put that in the bathroom tonight. So that is great. This is actually an item that is temporarily out of stock. So I don't know what temporarily means. I'm hoping maybe that means they're gonna get more, or they may be out of stock. But hopefully, so keep your eyes peeled on that one to come back, because that's a great item. So so we have that, and then we have, okay, that's the other container for that one. Ooh. And then this is the other one that is temporarily out of stock. This is the Serenity linen mist. And so I imagine, you could spray this on just about anything, but maybe your pillows at night or in your guest rooms when you have guests coming. Of course, our Serenity is a blend that's really good for calming and restful sleep. Let me open this up and see how it smells. Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. That is so awesome. And so this is 1 fluid ounce or 30 milliliters, little spray. This would be a great thing to travel with, too. So you could, spray the area around, in your seat, on your plane, or in your hotel room. It has a really amazing kind of relaxing scent. And our Serenity has, let's see, obviously it has lavender in there. It's got, oh man, it's hard for me to read even with my glasses because it's so small in here. But you guys know our Serenity blend. This is the linen spray. And I bought 4 of them because these are great little stocking stuffers or little gifts for coworkers or things like that. What a nice little gift to give to somebody, the linen spray. So then next we have this little goodie, which I think is the trio. It is. So this is the the trio. Oh, look, there's Serenity right there. So then I can tell you guys what's in it because it'll be bigger on here. Oh, no, it doesn't even have the ingredients on here. It's on the inside of the label. So we have our roller balls. And these oils have never come like pre-made in the rollers. So this is a great, and what a nice little gift too. You little nice, beautiful little packaging here. Wonderful little gift to give to somebody. But you get the Serenity roller ball. You get Heliochrysum. Now this one I am super excited about because this oil is amazing. It's super amazing for all kinds of things, but it really is amazing for like cuts and anything that's kind of bleeding, bloody noses. You can put it like right under your nose. It will stop a bloody nose. They used to call it like liquid stitches because it really on the skin level is a rapid healer. So anytime you have a cut or scrape or anything, this oil is amazing for that. I make sprays with this for my postpartum moms for the perineum to kind of heal that tissue. So it's very tissue healing. So I'm super excited about this. This is like powerhouse healer. And to have it pre-made in a roller ball like this is just amazing. And then we have our Balance, which is probably one of the best blends that dōTERRA makes. Of course, this is our grounding blend. So to have it pre-made in a roller is amazing. Roll it on the bottom of your feet, on your pulse points, on the back of your neck. This oil is really good for centering and balancing your emotions. It's a great oil. I put it on the bottom of my feet every morning. So this is a nice, like, convenient way to just have it there by the bedside. Just roll it on your feet in the morning and get your day started off right. So those 3 rollers come in this little trio, which is a little gift for myself, but could also be a gift for anyone. So this is a great, and like I said, the packaging is just awesome. This little container is really nice. So we have that. And then we have the concrete lava rock diffusers. So this is a great thing you can put on your desk. You can put in the bathroom. Look at this little thing. It's so cute. And then you just drop your drops of oil on there and it just diffuses. Nice little diffuser. Got the little O on the back. This is like rock and really, really nice and smooth. So great little thing to put in a small space and do a little diffusion. And there's actually 2 in here. So again, you could give both of them as a gift, keep one, give one as a gift, or give both of them. So that's a great little thing there too. And then we have, toothpaste. Because with your holiday order, if you want it to be an LRP order, you need to put 1 regular item in your order for it to count as your LRP. And I use toothpaste. I go through toothpaste every month. So there's my little toothpaste. And then we have the Shea Butter collection, which this thing, I tried these Shea Butters at... Yay, Monica, I'm so excited about the Heliochrysum too. Chime in if you want to about what you like to use it for. If you want to share with everyone what you're excited about using that roller ball for. So you know what, I might have to get something to open this packaging. Let me see if I can, trusty pen. So these Shea Butters we tried at convention and I fell in love with all of them. So I did actually buy 2. So somebody's getting 1 for a gift, and then I'm keeping 1 for myself. And then while I'm attempting to get this package open, I'll tell you about the couple of things that I didn't purchase that are on the holiday items. One is the Brevi Stone Diffuser, because I have just several diffusers all over the place in my house and in my office, so that this time I didn't really need one. But it comes with the holiday piece oil and the little diffuser. So that's a great thing to have or give as a holiday gift as well. And then the truffles, which this year they're a little different. I'm trying to remember everything that was in them. I think I posted it on Oil Tribe somewhere, but I didn't get the truffles because we have too much holiday Halloween candy around here, so I did not need more chocolate in my house. And then the Nepal dryer balls and the wintergreen. I have dryer balls. I meant to actually grab one. If you guys don't know what they are, I'll grab one in a minute so you can see them. But they're just wool balls, and you would drop a few drops of oils on it and throw it in your dryer. It acts as kind of like your replacement to toxic dryer sheets. So it's going to give a little bit of nice scent to your clothes. It's also going to absorb some water to make your dryer more efficient. And then it kind of moves around in the dryer and beats your clothes to kind of give them that softened feeling. And then there was the storage container, which I believe they are out of that too. But I have a storage container problem, so I did not need to buy another oil container. Okay, look at this. Look how pretty this is. So it had this little cover on it, and then it has this little box. Oh, bone related. Yes, right. Oh my gosh, yes. It's such a healing oil, that heliochrysum. So really good for everything. Look at this thing. This is amazing. So it's got a little bit of a story in here. It says, step into the world of luxury and pampering with the rich and soothing experience of Shea Butter collection. It's a deep moisturizing, rejuvenating properties and its ability to soothe, revitalize skin and hair. So the Shea is sourced from East and West Africa through fair trade partners. And these little tins, there's one unscented, so you could add your own scent to it. And then you get 3 other unique blends. And so we have the unscented, and then we have here magnolia and yuzu. Oh man, all of these, I remember them from convention. They just all smell so amazing. So you see that little thing. And then we have the blue tansy, yarrow, and neroli. Amazing for the skin. Oh my gosh, all of those. And then we have the heliochrysum and rose. Man, this one is going to smell so amazing. Oh my gosh, you could just like eat that. It smells so good. So that's a great thing to have for yourself, but also to give as a gift to somebody. So you've got the heliochrysum rose, the blue tansy, yarrow, and neroli, the magnolia and yuzu, and then one unscented that you can kind of add your own scent to if you want, or keep it unscented if you'd like. And it comes in that nice little box again. And so this is, you can apply it anywhere on the skin. That if you have any dry spots, like I would imagine like elbows would be good, anywhere on the face, on your hands, on the neck, anywhere on the skin level, it would be really good. I think around the knees too would be really good. And in the winter months when we're all kind of dried out and stuff, this shea butter is very rich and kind of very healing to the skin. So that's just an amazing thing. And then the 2 items that are going to come out December 1st are the Yarrow Palm Travel Kit, which is going to come with the soft gels, the Yarrow Palm oil, and the Yarrow Palm body serum, I believe. Those 3 things. And then there's the tea, which are going to be like tea bags. And I'm really excited to try those. So that is my holiday kit for the month. There is also in the oils the Holiday Joy. I did not order that one because I have 2 bottles still here at the house. But that oil has Siberian fir and wild orange, cinnamon, cassia, clove, Douglas fir, nutmeg, and vanilla bean extract. So that's an amazing oil to diffuse over the holidays as well. So get on there, get your items. I have a feeling by the end of the month, a lot of these items are going to be sold out. So we're lucky that we still have a lot of them. Hopefully they'll bring that holiday peace soap back, and then and maybe make some more of the linen sprays, since those 2 are already out. But all the other items are still there. So get in there. You can put it in your LRP. You do have to do the ship it now, and remember to add 1 regular item so that you get your LRP order in there. All right, you guys, I hope you had a great Wednesday. Take care. Happy holidays. Looking forward to Thanksgiving and to Christmas, and our rest of our Wellness Wednesdays this month will be related to other product deals of the month, and then also a little bit of winter wellness and health around the season of flu and all of that stuff. So tune in every Wednesday. All right, we love you guys. Bye.